Welcome back to Generation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And we're here with FabFitFun.
This
This
is
is mine,
FabFitFun
which was supposed to
with
come
hers.
after hers. Go ahead, Edith.
And yeah, so FabFitFun, they said that they created a shipping label on the 20th of May. And then I think it was a couple days ago, because today is June 2nd, that it said, you know, your thing will be there by June 1st? June 2nd? June 2nd, I think, in the end. And I was
We were
like...
supposed to get it yesterday.
Wait,
So
was
it
it
was June
yesterday?
1st.
Oh, wait, yeah, that's
Yeah.
right. Yeah, that's right, June 1st. Then yesterday, due to the protests, I guess, and stuff, FedEx was like, oh, we don't know when yours will arrive. And meanwhile, I was like, she gets hers. And then today, the 2nd, they tell me, oh, you'll get yours on the 4th. And I wanted us to open it together because you guys know we like to compete. And plus, we get different things. And so we'll probably do different videos for that.
Well, so, and it comes in this bigger box when you do add-ons, and that's what I've always done. I think she just this year started doing it herself. So the FabFitFun box itself, oh, if I can get it out, is that big. So
It's like a
hopefully,
big shoebox. Like if you bought boots
Yeah.
or something, that's what it looks like.
so I'll set that aside for a second and just go over the things I chose for my add-ons. Okay, in one of our prior FabFitFun boxes, can I say that quick? I don't know. This came in one of them, which is like just like a shea butter. It's like LXMI Pure Nolotica Melt. But if it's the same thing, it's kind of like just a shea butter, but I liked it. So, and it's organic. So I was like, I'm going to order it for myself.
We're really
And then
excited for the add-ons, and she didn't say that.
I mentioned I like ICO, so they had ICO, so I bought that. I bought a, well, I don't know if it's better to show you the back. I could just take it out of the plastic. I bought a charger for my car. A dual charger, I should say. Dual charger for my
I
car.
thought I bought you one.
Or maybe it's for his
Yeah,
car.
do
I
that.
can't.
You could give me the one I bought you, and then you can.
Maybe for my sposos. No, my for my husband's car. I can't remember if I bought it for me
This
or
we
him.
both got, right?
Okay, and then this is like the little I think it's luggage tags. I don't know if I should open it because I don't know if you can tell by it being in the package.
This is one that I think we both liked. There were a couple items that I either convinced her to get, or she convinced me to get, or we were both mulling over, and so this is one of those items. But we are really excited for the add-ons, and some of them do ship differently, which is weird.
Yeah, so it says "C'est la vie." Ah, I don't know. It just fell.
I think that's just the packet to keep it.
Oh,
Like,
okay, yeah. So then it comes like that with the little luggage tag, and then for your passport. So it's cute.
it is cute.
Okay, and then I think we both bought deodorants. I don't know how many she bought, but I bought Curie natural deodorant, orange neroli, aluminum, paraben, cruelty free. I bought that to try. I've never tried it before, so I'll see if I like it or not. And then I always buy the Cocoa Floss from them because it's cheaper. If you buy it from like Sephora, I think it's $8, and buying it from them I think is like $5 or something instead. So you get a few dollars off. But they had this 3-pack
For $12,
yeah,
I think.
for
Yeah.
12. So I think this is the thing I talked her into.
She talked me into getting that because I love floss.
into
So
buying because I really like them. And
I've never tried it.
It came
so.
with mint, and then with strawberries, and then with I like their package though, and then Cara orange or Cara. How do you say it? I don't know. And then I've never tried this before, but I thought I would just like.
Didn't I say I like that?
Oh, maybe. I don't know. But it's the Poo Pourri before you go toilet spray and vanilla mint. So
I don't use.
I've always just been curious about it.
Yeah,
but
I don't use one all the time. But I think I got one as a sample, and I was like, oh, this is
okay.
pretty cool.
Now this was probably our favorite thing in one of. Was it the last one? I don't know.
I think.
Was their Bando Bluetooth speaker? We use this thing everywhere. And so I bought another one because I like it so much. But it also showed that they had this, I think, I want to say like avocado critter.
It's cute.
I don't even know if you can see him. He's so cute. So I bought 2 of him too. So I have 2 and 2. Yeah. I hope it works as good as the Bando one though.
They have what seems like really good deals. Like sometimes they say you buy something and it doesn't seem worth whatever you think it should be worth, or you know, you're paying extra over what it's actually valued at. But with some of the stuff we got for our add-ons, like I think I spent like $160. Well, I got like, I don't want to say like 20 or 30 different things, but I got a bunch of different things. A bunch of good items too, I feel like, in my opinion. So
sorry, now onto the box itself. Okay, so if you're just getting this, when you open it, you would see there. Sorry, I'm trying not to hit you with it. you would see their magazine. It comes with, I guess that's what you would call it, right?
Yeah, I'm glad they still have it.
And then I'll give you that, I guess, in the meantime. Gabby Douglas, aw. And then it comes with like the little coupon things inside. I usually just check stuff like that.
And it has like what's in the box, but I feel like when she pulls out different things, I can go over that with you guys. And then it also has sometimes stories about women who are making a difference in the world and stuff. It's pretty cool.
Magazine on there. And then, let's see. So, I know some of the stuff we picked out, and then usually they'll throw in a few things that we don't get to choose or customize. But the first thing I'm pulling out is Yumi Kim wireless charging pad.
Oh, yeah,
So
that was one of the... Are they doing this once? Okay, so she would have gotten either that or a floral scarf or a... I'm sorry, it's like a bag with a floral scarf, a tie-dye towel, Pottery Barn diffuser, a Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt triple peptide eye cream, or an eyelash conditioner. Those are the things she could have gotten, but instead she chose that. And I think I did what as well on that one.
Okay. And then this I think I chose too. It says Beach Mist Botanical After Sun Spray. So assuming pretty soon we're all able to go out and go to the beaches and spas and stuff, I was like, this might come in handy. I don't know if it's got like avocado in it or
that one, there was just a couple choices, I think. Yeah, there's 4 choices. There was a vase, the mist, a blowout spray, or Grace and Stilla's hyaluronic acid hydrating serum. So that's these things right here, and then if you can see that, sorry, and then these 2 right here. Those are the choices for that one.
Okay, and then I can't remember if this was something I chose or not, but it's Hydropeptide Moisture Reset Phytonutrient Facial Oil. I think it was one I chose, but she can verify if it's a one they just
Moisture
give you.
Reset, right? That one?
Yeah.
Okay, that one's in the 2s. So you could have gotten a passport wallet, a cooler bag. I really like the cooler bag, but I was like, or that oil, or a kimono, or shampoo and conditioner.
Okay, I'm opening up this because it's in a, I don't know what this is. Oh, Terramere, as I say, Terramere Aloe and Tea Tree Toner. So I think I picked this.
I was like,
it's really very definitely full size and everything, but yeah, it's pretty heavy.
Where is it? Where is it? I don't see it.
I don't know. Oh, it's right here.
Oh, the one in the middle. Oh, okay, sorry, the 4s. So that one's that or an ice roller or a satin pillow sleeve. Not very many choices on that one.
Okay. So I think this is the last thing that I chose, which
and you can see in this, it's out of the 3s. So it was either that or Peel Off and Hydrogel Eye Mask, Tom's Sydney Sunglasses, Dry Bars Prime and Prep Detangler, or Kula's Cucumber Sunscreen Lotion, or their Matte Finish Sunscreen Lotion, or last but not least, the Giving Keys Mini Key Necklace, which is cute, but I don't like the jewelry. That one's right there.
So those were the
options,
right?
for that. Yeah, against the Kate one.
Were these ones? Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe because I have a lot of sunscreen, I didn't choose that. These I don't recall picking, so I'm thinking maybe that's why they're like the way they are. But there's Tarocco, or I think that's how you say it, Foot Cream Sicilian Blood Oranges.
Yeah, it's their pick.
And, I mean...
I know, I think I get that too. I think I saw what I'm getting and I was like,
I don't know if I would use it
maybe
at all,
I could try to use it,
maybe. And then Spongel, if I'm saying that right, hand cream, which I mean, like, hand creams I guess are okay, and it says infused with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and argan oil. So, was that one they picked too for us?
Yeah, that's one of their picks.
So this
I don't
one,
mind that
I like
one.
this one better than the foot one, I guess I'll say. And then I think the last thing, which I kept trying to triple check, but is Winky Lux Unibrow. So, same shade works for every brow. That's
interesting.
Kind of universal brow pencil. That's kind of crazy.
I know, it says get your best brows ever with this universal brow pencil. So.
But I don't tend to use pencils. I use like powders, so I might put that like in a giveaway possibly or something. But I think that's the last thing, as far as I can tell, that was in here. So, yeah.
And then my box, I picked some different things, but something similar. So hopefully we'll film and do that box when it comes.
She has lots of add-ons, so we can show you what you could get if you got
crazy.
the box and wanted to add things on, pay a little more to get some good deals.
And then, as I said, there are a couple items that wouldn't be in our box that come separately. Like I ordered a mosquito repellent thing that's like with batteries that comes separate, and then I ordered it was like a cleaning tool. I don't know when those are coming. It doesn't tell you. It's just kind of weird on the website. You'd think it would say, here's your tracking number for those from the company, but it doesn't because they're a different manufacturer. But if this video is quick enough for you, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to know about our future giveaways. Our next video, Kim promised me we'll be doing a giveaway in our next video. So we'll see you then.
Take care.
Bye.